Doing some free bell ringing with a YouTuber friend. Let's start this. Alright, we should ring this guy here. The thumbnail pictures. He helps me. Now he has to get out of there.
Hour later.
Lol, the
Hour later.
was 10 seconds. Man, I want to stop the bell. Oof, yes, he asks. I said, oh,
K, why?
Asked what's my friend's next vid. The bell stopped. Now I have no damn idea what we will do now. He answered me. By the way, subscribe to him. Here is back the girl with the rope for the bell.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
Lol, you guys, though, he was flying.
Bruh.
I'm not done yet, lol. I'm gonna review the bells from close now. Here they are. Here is the highest tone, lowest, middle.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
My friend has to eat, which means I'm ending. Like and subscribe, guys, and comment. Thanks for 100 subs, by the way.